This is my Range Rover L322, and this is my slopey driveway. This means that for the past 22 months, I had numerous challenges with jacking up the car and being able to walk underneath it. So what did I do? I decided to custom build a car ramp that will make it a lot easier for me to work underneath the Range Rover. And in this video, we are going to test together if this wooden structure can actually hold a 3-ton Range Rover. But at the moment, the car ramp is fully folded. We have to unfold it, move the cars out of the way, and see if we can go with the car on it. This ramp is not fully completed, but I will show a different video on how I built it and how to complete it. There's a lot of parts are missing, but let's just, you know what, I'm just stalling because I'm actually scared, I'm stressed on how it's gonna go, because actually this is really dangerous. Number one, I would say, don't do this at home unless you know what you're doing, because this is really, really dangerous. And this is how the ramp is totally unfolded. With this in mind, now we have to put the Range Rover on it. What safety measurements we have in case this fails? We don't actually. We're just gonna have to wing it and see really. I don't know what's going to happen, but what I did is I put these braces here to stop it from moving sideways. I don't know if people are going to learn from this, but here you go. I'm making a video about it, and that's the situation. I really hope this is helpful for people who have a slopey driveway. By the way, I know you don't know this yet, but this I had a lot of time to custom build this. It was much bigger, and now it's much smaller. But yeah, it was much higher, and then I overdid it basically, like everything else in life. I just overdo it, and now I had to tone it down. So right now, the car is out of level. By the way, this step is as level as the chassis. So if I were to move this, so it needs to be like this. That. Yeah. Okay.
So we're not there yet.
We're not there yet. So let's go a bit forward.
You can see it's right in the middle.
Oh yeah. Wow. Okay.
Really
okay, so that's completely leveled now. Perfect. So I'm going to mark it.
Yeah, on which of the steps, yeah?
Yeah. So let's see. So it's taking this step from here. I'm gonna put Range Rover here.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Yeah.
Yeah.
5th step.
Okay, and then here as well. Okay. And then
actually,
okay, up to here.
Margin, but
yeah.
Yeah, it's not
so
touching.
All the way.
Yeah.
So all the way to here. That's all the way to here. So that all of that is a Range Rover wheel. Wow. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8.
Up to the 8th.
Yeah, and then if I need to jack up the car or anything, I don't know if I can jack up the car. I would like to jack up the car while it's here as well. Like if I need to take the wheel off or something, I need to find a way how I can jack it up while it's on the ramp. Yeah. That needs a lot more engineering and thinking about it. Yeah, because I think I can also put a jack stand here, but I need to make it flat. So still, there's a lot of work to be done. There's a lot more engineering to be done.
This
but
is like the testing phase.
Yeah, this is the testing phase. Yeah. Should we try to shake it and see if it works? Yeah. Ah, not this bit. I don't want to break the bumper.
Let's try
from
now.
Here.
Yeah.
Okay, so. Is the wood moving? I know the car is moving because obviously you have suspension, you have the wheels. I can see here. Yeah. That's moving. That's normal. Yeah. Like even if it was on flat, that's okay. But is this moving? That's the question. Let's move it.
Doesn't really seem.
Oh.
It's not moving from the floor, is it?
Let's see this one. It's moving, but you know what? That's how. That's. A jack stand would move like that.
The thing is, you're moving. The top is moving a little, but the base itself, because of all the other wood,
it's not moving.
No, that's not moving.
So you can see how tall the Range Rover is. I can barely reach the bonnet. Of course, I cannot lift the bonnet because that's maximum can go, my hand. This is, well, to this lip here, okay, we have almost a meter. It's not a meter, it's 90, if you want to be specific, 90, 95, okay?
95
but
centimeters.
yeah. And then if I want to go to tray,
Yeah,
okay, that is 72 centimeter.
that's really good.
And then from here, sorry, I think I wasn't holding it.
Slope as well.
Yeah, 71.
Oh.
And then here, 71, yeah. And then, yeah, so if I want to reach, let's say the arm, that's 70. Anyway, so that's 70 centimeter, you know, it's a lot. And that means, I don't know if the camera pick it up. That means I can literally sit down like this. I can be, you know, I don't have to hurt my neck anymore, or I can be underneath the, yeah, and I can do this, and I can inspect, I can hold tools, I can drain the you know, the oil, I can work on the oil, I'm comfortable here. Our MOT told us that we have an issue here. Can the camera pick it up? Let me see. So this is the bushing. Can you see yellow? That yellow here, that we need to replace that bit there. I don't know how, but we'll replace it. Well, you can check everything under the car. That's the gearbox. That's the differential in the back. I don't know if you can see it, it's too far. And now I'm going to reverse the car, and we're going to see how easy it is to reverse the car, or in my previous case would be jack up, no, not jack up, what's the jack down the car. So let's see how easy it is. Jacking down the car would mean firstly jack up a little bit, and then remove right jack stand, left jack stand, and then slowly lowering the car down. I hope this video was helpful to you. If not, it was at least entertaining, and I hope you have learned a lot from this video. I'm only doing this video for two reasons. Number one, so I can, well, the main reason is for people to see that they can still work on their driveway, slopey driveway. You just have to adapt it and customize it to your own. That's number one. And number two, for you to be motivated to do it, basically. And number two is for me to bring you more content, because now that I raised the car up, a lot more content is coming up for the Range Rover. So yeah, with that in mind, just make sure you subscribe if you want to get more videos, because by the way, if you don't subscribe to my channel, there's a higher chance for you not to see my videos again. So if you want to see my videos again, you have to subscribe, hit the like button, comment your thoughts on the RAM underneath. If I'm going crazy, let me know I'm going crazy, and I shouldn't be doing this, and this is completely dangerous. Let me know your thoughts. Anyway, I'll see you guys on the next one. Bye bye.
And we all got dreams, we all want things, but what you gonna do for it? How you gonna move for it? What you gonna be? And do you believe